Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to scan your device for viruses. So you can just go to the iManager here from your home screen and then go to the security detection. Here you can set your automatic security scan for 30 days, for 15 days, for 7 days, and then turn it on if you want keep your device secured. And as you can see, there is no viruses on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that and subscribe to our channel.